And we are live. Welcome to Crypto Warriors, to the Gentlemen of Crypto, episode 475. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and I'm your host, Bitcoin Zay, here to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and the community, Monday through Friday at 3-ish. And it's definitely a 3-ish day. Glad to be in, doing it solo today. Let a few more people come in on IG. How you doing? Let a few more people come in on YouTube as well. What's going on, Antonio? Crypto and Culture. What's up, Kenzie? Christopher Ladd, what's going on, brothers? Thanks for joining in. Get this going right here. So, have some great news stories for you today, including the top story, Bakkt. It's about damn time. Bakkt is finally launching its Bitcoin futures today. Here's what to expect. IBM says it's ready to work with Facebook on blockchain. And last but not least, Binance.us is trading tomorrow with 13 currency pairs. So let's jump into our market updates for today. Look at some of these prices. It's going to be a short show today, but we definitely want to get you updated on these prices. Bitcoin took a tumble last night with the news of Bakkt, down to $9,704, down 3%. Ethereum at $201 is down 4% today. Litecoin, the biggest loser today, is at $66.33, down 8% in one day. Ripple at 27 cents, still pretty much the same, down 2% on the day. And Bitcoin Cash, $296, down 4% for the day. So a day full of red, but like we always say, don't panic. We're moving sideways, and supposedly Bakkt is here, supposed to help out with institutional trading. But let's get into that. But first, let's look at some of these comments, people coming in. Let's see, Mr. Too Real, what's going on? New Legacy, Allison Thompson, Maurice Parks, Madam Crypto, Shannon Allen. Oh yeah, represent with the jacket. And I got to give everybody on the live a hand clap. Thank you for your dedication, watching the show. Thank you for everything you've done with Gentlemen of Crypto. Like I said, this is episode 475. So we've been going strong even through the book tour and us being busy, keeping it going. So appreciate you all. All right, so let's jump into the big news for today. Bakkt, Bakkt, is finally launching its Bitcoin futures today. Finally, let's just get them a hand for persistence. Good gracious, they've been talking about this for years. It's finally here, or not years, but like a year and a half. They've been discussing it, saying it's coming. They said they had 2 delays, 13 months of questions, regulators beating them down, and other, people like myself basically making fun of it because it took too long. But they have started trading, opening at midnight UTC, and they'll close at 22 o'clock. So for the first time, interested observers will be able to see just how much pent-up demand there is among big money traders, which wasn't much to start off. I don't expect it to blow up in the first day and, to have 1 million Bitcoins being traded on it. Right now, it's pretty paltry. It's about 70, I believe 18 Bitcoins in volume, last I checked. And honestly, that's pretty terrible to start. However, it will pick up. I believe the demand is something that comes with time. And I think that those actually physically settled contracts will be more enticing than some of the other ETFs and ways of trading that they have coming. So here it says here, as often noted, Bakkt futures will be physically settled, meaning buyers receive Bitcoin at expiration, whereas in CME and CBOE, they settled with cash. So what that means is they don't have to do like CME and CBOE and have cash on hand. They have to physically purchase Bitcoin in order to fulfill those orders, raising demand, while at the same time, the supply is getting smaller, which for my economics people means prices going up. Just a matter of when. And we all here have seen the price go crazy. In my opinion, institutional money is basically what the market cap is times about 3 or 4. Once that really comes in, then you can go ahead and say, yes, we have that type of volume. Arthur Hayes is calling for 20,000 by next year, 100,000 by 2023. Whatever your price prediction is, in my opinion, we can't go backwards at this point. They have to purchase Bitcoin in order to settle the futures contracts. Great news for us. Just glad they finally put it out. Took 13 months. Good gracious, Bakkt. Let's see. Leroy Forbes, what's going on, brother? Thank you for having in. Getting in. Shannon Allen, everyone get the book. Oh, yeah. Thank you for mentioning that. Yes. Everybody on Facebook, everybody on Instagram, everybody on YouTube watching right now. Bitcoin in Black America is available. BitcoinInBlackAmerica.com if you want an autographed copy. Amazon if you want it a little quicker, but it will not be autographed. Also, too, for those of you who already have the book, I want to throw this in there. That QR code that's on the back, all of those proceeds are going towards the Innovative Learning Summer Camp in Charlotte, as well as the Crypto Plug Summer Camp here in Inglewood, California. So if you want to support the kids, send some Bitcoin to this address, and we'll make sure we show everybody the things we get for these camps. So thank you all. I want to throw that in there. Let's see. Crypto and Culture 475. Yeah, man, we've been working, been here a long time. Let's see. S1 Dubs. We didn't need it. You are correct. I don't think we need it. I mean, we've been saying that forever. Every futures contracts that comes out, we don't really need it. Bitcoin's gonna keep going by itself. Pangy Smoke, what's going on? You in Chicago? Hopefully I can see you October 6th. Let me go ahead and throw that out there. October 5th, I'll be in Chicago for the Global Wealth Summit with Damon John. October 6th, I'll be in Chicago as well for the Southside Crypto Meetup. So if you're in Chicago, those 2 days are your chance to see me before the next time I'll be there, which will be November 19th, and I'll talk about that more down the line. So Alex Daly, what's going on? Our in-house, either he pushes it up, pushes it down. He says Bitcoin to the moon. I believe so too. Cool Works, checking in from Atlanta. What's going on, brother? I'll be in Atlanta as well, October 8th through the 13th. So look out for me there. And Madam Crypto, she said, what's the minimum age for the camp? The minimum age at the camp in Inglewood is 8 years old. And I have to double check, because we may lower it a little bit, but 8 is the lowest one. We'll go. So Antonio, love the tracksuit. Oh yeah, shout out to Shannon Allen for sending this to us. Yeah, it's very comfortable to wear around the house. I appreciate it. So let's jump into our second story of the day. Like I said, it's gonna be a short day, but IBM, they have stated that they are ready to work with Facebook on blockchain. So the big bullies on the street joining up with IBM with their big distributed ledger technology. IBM has stated that it is willing to team up with Facebook to develop blockchain technology, and IBM executive has stated it is a team sport. So it looks like the big name clients are joining together. He states here, our clients are ready to work with Facebook. We're ready to work with all of them to bring it together. I'm sure you are, because they'll be paying you. Jason Kelly, who is IBM's blockchain general manager. He also states that the company, the size of Facebook, entering the fray helps bring more legitimacy to the underlying blockchain technology. I do believe that Libra will have a tough time getting pushed out, but maybe with the support of IBM, with their technology, as well as maybe using Stellar in some sort of way, that will push the price. If you've seen Stellar, it's popped a couple times, about 15, 20% with this IBM news. It looks as though they'll be joining with Facebook to help them out, because as they state, it's a team sport. I don't really agree. I believe there'll be more in competition, but these two may be together. So let's see what comments we have here. Let's see. Shannon Allen, we got a scarf at Pocket Square for Zed King to wear when they're suited up. Oh, yeah, definitely coming soon. Let's see. Sergeant Crypto, what's up? What's up? Thank you for coming in. Let's see. Show this right here. And everybody on Instagram, thank you for coming in as well if you are just getting here. So once again, recap. Bakkt is finally here. Institutional trading. IBM, they're teaming up with Facebook. And last but not least, Binance.us to launch trading tomorrow with 13 currency pairs. So if you've been around in the space, you've been here to see Binance launch. You've seen Binance get rid of US customers. And now we're here at the point where Binance.us will start trading. And they'll have 0 trading fees until November 1st. So that is incentive to use their platform. They will have KYC. They will have AML. I do know a few people who have said they skated around it just using, VPNs and things of that nature. However, for those of you who can't, who don't know how to do it, for you will have KYC, know your customer AML standards, but you will be able to trade pairs such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Binance, and Tether. And really quick, if you haven't noticed, all of these different platforms, when they start trading at major exchanges, they are starting off with the same 6 or 7 coins. So if you want an insight into the coins that are going to have the most volume in the future, and you don't want to look at thousands of shit coins who will probably be worth nothing, this is a good way to see it. So Binance.us will offer these for trading, and it will list a second batch of coins soon, following an evaluation period based on its digital asset risk assessment framework. So even though they have onboarded a lot of shit coins, they supposedly have a risk assessment framework, which is probably more dealing with the team than it is the actual coin. Coins usually suck. People may be pretty good though. So that's what Binance is going for. And of course, like I stated before, they will have know your customer onboarding. So let's take a look at some of the comments. For those of you who use Binance, this should be an exciting day. Let's see. Yanislav Georgie, hello from Bulgaria. Cheers, my brother. Cheers. Good to see some new people in here. Sergeant Crypto, quantum computing, and Google. I saw that as well. Somebody mentioned that in an article with quantum computing taking down blockchain technology. I believe we have quantum resistant blockchains already ready to go, and a few upgrades to Bitcoin. That'll be all we need, but that'll be down the line as well. Let's see, crypto culture. Sorry, I can't fuck with Binance US. They want too much info. Hey, to each his own. Personally, I'm with you. I haven't used Binance in a long time. I can't really say when, but it's been a long time. Too much information for me. We have decentralized exchanges. We also have atomic swaps, coin joins, a lot of different ways to get the coins you want, and then move them off of exchanges as well. Let's see. Shannon Allen, the gentlemen are worldwide. Oh yeah. We are international. We already out there. You know it, Shannon. Thanks for your help. And let's see. Alex Daly, am I joining Binance? Doubt it. Don't think I will. Don't think I have to. And at this point, they want way too much information. Social Security. They want your, passport ID, which is generally what every exchange wants. But when you get to a certain point like us, you kind of just get tired of it and just move forward. Let's see. Tony Nolly, what's going on, brother? Glad to have you in there. And let's see. Shannon Allen, what are my top exchanges to give to the new warriors? All right. Well, the only exchange that I use to buy, if I do buy, that has my information is Uphold. Uphold has proven very good over the years. You can actually stake your coins and actually make profit off of it. There's a lot of different things you can do on there. You can hold gold, you can hold cash, you can hold you can hold silver, you can hold different cryptocurrencies, a lot of different currencies on Uphold. However, I would say Bitcoin ATMs, peer-to-peer purchases, as well as buying on local Bitcoins will probably be the best way. Because for those of you who don't make large purchases, you can use local Bitcoins up to 20,000 a year without giving your information. So if you're doing more than 20,000 a year, which some of us are, then you have your limit. But for most people, they're not buying 20,000 worth of crypto a year. You can still use local Bitcoins, keep your anonymity, and still be able to move in a way where it's peer-to-peer. So local Bitcoins, Uphold, Bitcoin ATMs, and then after that, not really a fan of anything else. I do use a few, but not really a fan of it. Don't want to put it out there for anybody else. But we all know the regulars: Bittrex, Binance, Poloniex. Different decentralized exchanges as well. IDEX. Let's see. You can also do the atomic swap. So, like I said, a lot of different ways for the warriors to be able to purchase crypto as well. So that is all for me today. News-wise, once again, I want to remind everyone, Bitcoin in Black America is out now. It is on bitcoinandblackamerica.com. If you want the autographed copy, if you want it faster, you can get it on Amazon, but autographed on bitcoinandblackamerica.com. Use that QR code in the back if you want to donate to the Innovative Learning Summer Camp or the Crypto Plug Summer Camp here in Inglewood, California as well. Shout out to Shannon for these hoodies. Beautiful, man, and great material. Very, very comfortable. And a couple more announcements. Yes, so let's see. Wednesday, I'll be in Sacramento on the radio. For those of you who are in Sacramento, be on the radio there, me and King. October 5th, like I stated, I will be in Chicago. October 5th and 6th, I'll be in Chicago. October 8th through 13th, I'll be in Atlanta for A3C Festival with the creative Guap Coin, Tavania Evans. If you know her, I'll be selling books right beside her while she'll be selling masternodes, talking about Guap Coin, things of that nature. After that, we have a few dates still in the works, but the cities we're looking at are Philly, Boston, New York, and Baltimore. Trekking Cryptos is helping me with those, but if anybody else has a group that wants to meet, make sure you email me. I'll put my email here as well. The book tour, like I said, is going strong. I believe this is the only self-published, self-funded book tour that has gone over 15 cities. And so far, like I said, it's exhausting, but I love it. And I'm glad to see all the people out there as well. Let's see. After that, November 7th through 8th, massive adoption in Memphis, Tennessee. I'll be there for that. And November 19th, I will be in Chicago again for the Crypto Key Influencers big blowout meeting. Have over 10,000 influencers there. And going into December, we're still putting in new dates. So I will make sure I keep everybody updated. Make sure you follow on Twitter at BitcoinZay. I'll be updating my list there and schedule, and also on Facebook as well. So I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all again for supporting the Gentlemen of Crypto. I'll be doing solo for the next couple of days. But thank you all, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Cheers.